Hey everybody, Phil Garner here with Garner's Garden, and I want to talk to you about sleep. For healthier skin, you're going to need some sleep. So basically, when you close your eyes, your skin instantly switches over to repair mode. This is a chance to reset your mind and body, but also the time when your body repairs its skin. While you sleep, you recycle all of those dead skin cells, those drying cells, and they all get replaced with more vibrant, youthful looking ones, which essentially are used for maintaining your look and your style and everything like that and your overall health. Sleep is the time when you rebuild your collagen levels to recover from free radical damage throughout the entire day. Also, with good sleep, your blood flows with more regularity and speed, and trust me, your skin will thank you tomorrow. Now, an important thing to remember is that sleeping your way to healthier skin doesn't begin with sleep. It actually begins with what you do before you go to bed. And that starts with a good skincare regimen. How about washing your face? Before bed cleans all of the dirt, environmental toxins, and oil that you have accumulated throughout the day. You need to get that off your face. If you don't, these irritants can lead to breakouts, irritation, and inflammation. You don't want that. So what do you wash with? I hope you say Garner's Garden Natural Organic Face Wash or one of our African foaming black soaps or our African black soap bar. That's exactly what you need to prevent breakouts and give your skin a refreshed canvas before bed. It won't dry out your skin because you need to moisturize it. So you want to make sure that you use a natural antibacterial facial cleanser. It contains our neem oil. Use that before you wash your face so that you can protect your natural oil levels. So after you use our antibacterial facial cleanser, after you wash your face, now it's time to moisturize. Before bed, you need to moisturize and it hydrates your skin for the 7 to 9 hours that your skin is vulnerable while you sleep. That's a long time. Moisturizing also stimulates your blood flow and boosts your natural collagen production, making your skin softer and more pleasant the next morning. Now, what to moisturize with? Well, I'm glad you asked. Well, for your body, we want to use our body butter. It gives your body instant hydration and provides you with a nice texture and smoothness all night long, especially your feet. Get your feet. You're going to love it. You can get our body moisturizer package. It comes with a deodorant. It also comes with a body balm stick, a body butter, body oil. It comes with everything that you need to moisturize your entire body. I like to put a little body oil, then I like to put a little body butter together. That gives me the best feeling. Disruptions to your sleep and stress can break up your natural sleep cycle and lead to scratching and pulling. This leads to rashes, swelling, and worsening of dermatitis. All right, so what's the best way to prevent this? You just need to relax, people. Relax. Keep away from the caffeine. Keep away from the devices when you're trying to go to bed. Spray our Lavender Sleep Mist all over your bed before you go to sleep. It's going to naturally help you to ease your mind and calm your body. This will help you get the skin-boosting sleep that you need. The final way to sleep, your way to better skin, is by adjusting the way you sleep. Studies have shown that sleeping on your back with your head elevated prevents bacteria on your pillowcase from dirtying up your face and will also keep your moisturizer off your sheets. Also choose silk sheets and linens, which won't irritate your skin. So there you have it, steps to healthier skin by way of sleeping. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at contact@garnersgarden.com. Make sure you follow us on all of our social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and make sure you send us some feedback. Thank you, guys.